Hello there everyone, and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. This is Decals. Today it's going to be a little bit different, no layout or a card, but we have got a lovely new product to show you, and these are the Altenew decals. Now I'll be using the Watercolor Bliss for this one, and the first thing I'm going to do is just prep the wall I'm going to be using. So the first thing I have to do is just to pull away all my little home decor elements and just clean the wall. I'm just using microfiber cloth with a little bit of water and just cleaning the wall. Once I've cut out the decals, I'm going to start popping them onto the wall. If you get these decals, you will see that they come with a kind of thin see-through part, and then you've got the backing. So the first thing you have to do is pull the backing a little bit away, stick the image to the wall, and then just pull the backing away, and then with the little tool that comes with the decal, just gently press the image into the wall. And once you have done that, you can start peeling off the second part. It is a bit sticky and a bit tricky, and I would advise you to do this really delicately and just pull it ever so gently. So I did the larger bit above my piano, and I do want a little bit of repetition on the other side of the window. So I cut out a couple of the smaller pieces and then just pop them on that little bit above my cupboard. And then all I'd have to do afterwards is put all my bits and bobs back in their place and just enjoy the lovely view I have from the kitchen on my new colorful wall. Now these are really simple to use. You can pull them off if you want to change the decor in your house, which I might do in a couple of years. And then there are many different types in our store, so do go and check them out. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you very soon with another project for Altenew. For more information, just visit the Altenew website or the Altenew scrapbook blog. Have a lovely day and happy creating.